Welcome to Turned In Oz. This is the first video made for the YouTube platform. Today you'll see my first pencil. It'll be a similar process to the pens, but this time there's a mistake, which I've included at the end. You'll notice I've got the dust extractor running today. I'm yet to find the best position for this, but it's all to try and save sweeping at the end. Just collect some extra shavings. I noticed it caused a bit of vibration on the camera. I've done my best to stabilize the video. Sorry in advance. You might notice the set of bushings on this is a bit shinier than the other pens. That's because this is a brand new set. I haven't done a pencil before. It's different thickness. So, yeah. I'm pretty happy with how this one's coming. It's looking really nice shape. It's significantly thinner than the pens and I'm really enjoying it. Something you may have noticed is I keep stopping and checking. It's making sure I'm not going below the level of the bushings, because otherwise it's not going to sit beautiful and flush when I put the hardware on. Yeah, so I'm getting rid of some wood chips there. Just a little bit of cleanup. I like it, watching it. Just flies away because they're so small and light. So right here I bumped the dust extractor hose. That's caused a bit more vibration because it's touching the leg of the tripod. So that wasn't ideal. So what I'm doing here is going through the grits, 180 to 10,000. I'll end up with a nice shine at the end. And I blow it off in between and sand each grit along the grain. Almost in the final stages of sanding here. I'll give it another quick stop and a turn and have a look at how it's coming along. Usually it's not doing too bad. I can tell while I'm doing this that it's coming out quite nice. And you can tell by that dark brown color that's starting to come through. It's become nice and rich. So this is going to come out quite nice. Moving into the finish process, the finish I use is CA glue. In Australia, we call this super glue. This creates a nice waterproof plastic layer to protect the wood and give us the opportunity to create shine. I do 6 to 8 layers in total. I do an initial layer that I let soak into the wood, and all layers after that I use accelerator for to get it done nice and quickly. So the first 4 to 6 layers are a medium CA glue. I use BSI Super Gold, and the remaining 2 to 4 are a thick CA, and it just adds a really nice thick layer. It's really enjoyable. The finish is now complete. Time for some micro mesh. The micro mesh system is 1500 grit to 12,000. Purpose of this is to smooth it out and give it a nice shine. And after that, we'll buff and polish to give it an extra shine. So far, the pencil's coming along nicely. It's looking really nice and smooth, and I can't wait to see how it comes out with the buff and polish. Guess we'll see that shortly. Pencil's just finishing up being polished. It's coming together quite nicely. And this is where I'm going to show you my mistake. I got a little overzealous and put too much pressure while putting the coupler in and crushed it. So I had to pull that back out and put it back together. It still came together nice, and lessons learned. Thanks for watching.